Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make assorted canned fruit in your home using an easy method. First, select about 5 to 6 pounds of fresh, ripe fruit such as peaches, pears, or mixed berries. Next, ensure all your canning jars and lids are completely sterilized. Finally, prepare a light syrup by dissolving 1 cup of sugar in 2 cups of water, bringing it to a gentle boil. Now let's prepare our fruit. Wash, peel, and core your chosen fruits, then cut them into uniform pieces, roughly 1 inch in size. Carefully pack the prepared fruit tightly into your sterilized canning jars, ensuring no large air pockets remain. Then, pour the warm syrup over the fruit, making sure to leave about 1/2 inch of headspace from the rim of the jar. This is crucial for proper sealing. Next, remove any air bubbles from the jars using a non-metallic utensil and wipe the jar rims clean. Place the lids and screw bands on, tightening them finger tight. Carefully lower the sealed jars into a boiling water canner, ensuring they are covered by at least 1 inch of water. Process pint-sized jars for 20 minutes and quart-sized jars for 25 minutes, adjusting for altitude if necessary. After processing, carefully remove the hot jars from the canner and place them on a towel-lined surface to cool undisturbed for 12 to 24 hours. Do not red-item the bands. Once cooled, check for proper seals. The lid should be concave and not flex when pressed. Store your properly sealed jars in a cool, dark, and dry place, like a pantry, for up to 1 year of delicious enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.